Hello guys, welcome back. So I am going to be teaching you guys how to make this Rubik's Cube right here. So about that sound, it's my 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Gosh, thing is musty, crusty. But I'll be making the core, and then we'll move on to the edge pieces and corner pieces in part 2. Let's get into it. So first you want to grab this block right here and place it like this, like a cross. Grab a normal block and place it like that. Grab the suspension, then grab a rod, a motor, set the motor to whatever you want. I'm going with G and T. Make sure to get the speed to 5, max torque 1000, and then make sure that this is whatever one you want, or it could be F and R, but I'm going with G and T. And then grab an anchor. Grab 4 more motors. 1, 2, 3, never mind, 5. Or 5. Right. There's that part. Then grab 5 more rods. Place them right here. Then grab suspension. And make sure you set the suspension. The stiffness is 50. The free length is 4. Wait, let me make sure. Wait. So the length is 3.5. Put it to 3.5, and then copy that on all of these. And there's this part. Then grab this again. Make sure it's facing inward, like this. Single one of those. So the rod helps it, and it doesn't really get caught with the normal cylinders or magnets I have in there. The magnets don't even do anything. They just make the cube not even turn. They just move the whole cube around. Make sure like this, and then you'll see once I place the normal blocks. So have them make sure that it's all like, see how there's that little tiny gap? Do that with all of them. Make sure to use this one. Sorry. And put the blocks all like this. Then there's the core of the key. I'll see you in part 2. So see you guys. Bye bye.